Baking soda will be useful as a spa treatment also. When we are overwhelmed and don't have the money to treat ourselves to a peaceful gateway, we, we, we have all experienced it. In as an alternative, you can make your own small spa exercise in your bathtub by mixing a hot bath with 1 tablespoon of baking soda sprinkled into the water. So likewise, it will also useful as a spa treatment. Not only likewise, not only you should have a bathtub likewise. One mug of water, um, in mug of water, half tablespoon is enough baking soda. Then rinse it well and use in your body. Then wait till wait of 2 minutes. Then clean commonly with your bathing and soaping and all this. It will clear everything. It is also nothing but a spa treatment.